Welcome to Unreal Content by Fusilade, an overview video of my website. So the basic idea of Unreal by Fusilade is put together all of my Unreal tournament and Unreal game development content into one place. I've also made it a home for any other development projects that I've made with regards to game development and audio development. I decided to put a quick overview on the front page. So you'll either be watching this on the YouTube channel, and you can go to my website through there, in the link in the description, or you'll be on the web page viewing the video, and obviously you can follow that on my YouTube channel. To begin the overview of the website, I'll just quickly go through the layout, the pages, some of the contents that's there, and a small overview of content that I add day by day on a very slow basis. I've got my main subcategories at the top, or main categories with subcategories. You can contact me, learn a little bit about me. You can also see my portfolio. But bear in mind, this is an unofficial portfolio, and a lot of the content I've created is spread amongst the categories, as you can see there. So you've got the home page. This was probably one of my highest resolution images and subsequent maps that I made for Unreal Tournament. Obviously, I've uploaded a low resolution JPEG image there, but when you download the map, you'll be able to see it in its full glory. There's also a video on my YouTube channel for that map as well, which was a UT3 map based off of a Mirror's Edge map called Scraper Deck. Bright, vibrant colours, really enjoyable gameplay, and solid level design. Probably one of the highest quality maps that I released. I've got a PC gaming section where I've put information that I tend to find is useful for certain games. What I've tried to do different to other people is just include solely the information that other people have missed on websites. One example of this would be Area 51, where I do enjoy my alien-related games by Midway and UFO-related stuff. And I found a jump bug in there, which is present as a result of running old games such as Area 51 on modern hardware and modern Windows operating systems, such as Windows 7 and 10. Now, a lot of the content that is aside from Unreal Tournament and Unreal Engine development and games will pertain to getting older games running in newer operating systems and on newer hardware. So I've created a DOSBox section recently, which gives an overview and a few downloads for what I've called my DOSBox custom collection. Now this is a super user-friendly DOSBox pack that contains every single thing you need to play the most popular DOSBox games, which obviously happen to be the ones that I grew up using in the 1990s. There's a surprisingly large amount of knowledge required for DOSBox setup and installation, so I set that page there. I've also included comps for every single game and software that I use in DOSBox, and dropped a couple of example files and a few complex comp files as well. So DOSBox users can draw their own menus. Just run a little script there. We've also got Minecraft, some useful information, some information on Mortal Kombat 10, Pokemon Go, and so on and so forth, as you can see. I've put a list of tutorials here. Now, the aim was to add to this on a daily basis for the past couple of years, but unfortunately, when I cut down on development, I also cut down on adding to my tutorials. But I am uploading to them But to be honest, you'll pretty much find everything you need within the UDK development kit. Now, there's specific Unreal Engine game tutorials, as well as specific Unreal Engine tutorials for particular aspects of the engine. There's a couple of extra tutorials there that might be useful just for PC users in general, and then the final category covers all of my Unreal projects. So that'll be my UDK projects and UDK game, my Unreal 1999 projects, all the way up until the Unreal Tournament 2007, which is otherwise known as UT3. You can download my game, and you can also download the full development kit there to create your own game. And on the main homepage is links to all of the important stuff within the website and external to the website, such as an album that I mastered for a local band, music that I've created just for fun on SoundCloud, again my UDK development kit, all my UT3 stuff. There's a link there to the Unreal Tournament 3 Ultimate Installation Guide, which was supported by Epic Games, so shout out to them for that. There's also an example of my texture upgrades that I did where I fully modded the UFO Aftermath game and made it into a HD remake, as well as some random photography and quick artwork and desktop backgrounds and stuff like that. So enjoy the website.